Hey guys, it's Mrs. Gilling, and this is your last video assignment that talks about discussions. You've made it to your very last discussion in the class. Awesome job. Before we go into your post, I've got one more joke for you, and this is one of my absolute favorites. You ready? And it's a math joke, and I'm not a math person, so this is pretty impressive. Why is 2 plus 2 equals 5 like your left foot? And hopefully you don't have any foot phobias or anything like that, because here's a picture of a foot for you. You ready for the answer? Because it isn't right. Because 2 plus 2 equals 4, not 5. It's like the right foot. Oh, and just to brighten your day a little bit, you can't not smile when you see an orangutan smiling. Is an orangutan? Orangutan? A monkey? I'm not sure exactly what that is, but it's smiling, and that makes me smile. All right, here's your discussion prompt. So for this video, you're going to watch a video about the civil rights movement and then answer the associated questions. So just like the other ones, please don't copy and paste something from a website. Don't use AI. All discussion posts need to be in your own words. So by the time you're done with this post, you should have at least 6 sentences for this one. So number 1, after watching the video, what do you think one of the biggest events of the civil rights movement was? To put that in a complete sentence, you may say something like, one of the biggest events of the civil rights movement was, boom, fill in the blank. Number 2, why do you think that event was so important? Number 3, after watching the video, who do you think one of the most influential people of the civil rights movement was? So, in the first question, you're talking about events. What was one of the most important events? And the third question, one of the most important influential people. Number 4, what made that person so important? Number 5, in your opinion, and this is the most important question, what is a cause that is worth fighting for today? What is something that you see in the world today that you're like, you know what? It's important for us to fight for this, to stand up for this, or to change this. What's something that's important to you? And number 6, why is that cause important to you? Here's how you'll be graded. You get 10 points for listing what you think the most important event for the civil rights movement was. You get 15 points for explaining why you think that event was important. 10 points for listing who you think was one of the most influential people from the civil rights movement. 15 points for explaining why that person was so important. 10 points for sharing a cause that you think is worth fighting for today. Then 15 points for analyzing why that cause is so important to you. And then for your grammar and sentence requirement, you're going to write at least 6 sentences for this one. And then you're going to double check that you've started with a capital letter, ended with punctuation, that I can read, your spelling, all of that fun stuff. If you do all that, should be able to earn 100%. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. But other than that, thanks so much for watching this video and good luck, guys. Appreciate ya.